This is Prabha Sastry from Mysore. Today I will read one lovely bird story. This is my own poem. The name is We Build Our Nest. We build our nest. Why me? Why me? You made me alone. Little the moon in a dark sky. Little the moon in a dark sky. Frizzling hopes. Frizzling hopes. Like mirages in the desert. Like mirages in the desert. The outburst of tears as memories gush forth. Hiding in the layer of pearls. Hiding in the layer of pearls. I like to be one of your pearls. I like to be one of your pearls. Looking for have an embrace. How can Maina? How can a Maina be without will never be complete? And the journey of life, journey of the life will never be over. If there is no moon in the light, will be lightless. Will never be over. If there is no moon in the sky, life will be lightless. My love is not a blade of grass. My love is not a blade of grass. It always beats for you. It always beats for you. I trusted you and love you. I trusted you and love you. I would shower the rain of kisses. I would be a shower of the kisses. I swear, you are mine. I swear, you are mine. In those blue clouds, with the wings of sweet feelings, let us fly far with the slows of pine. Let us fly far with the slows of pine. So the branch of love, let us build a nest. Let us build a nest like eternal love birds. Let us swing on the cradle of togetherness. Let us swing on the cradle of togetherness, holding each other, holding each other. Namaste.